We are going up to New Hampshire today. We're taking a road trip to go to the ice castles. We have never gone, so this is very exciting. It's about 4 hours. And first stop, barbecue. Give me a woogie. Yeah. Let's go. One thing you guys don't know about me yet is that I love a good drive. So stay tuned, enjoy the ride as we drive up to New Hampshire and check out these mountains as they approach. Things get very snowy. Alright guys, check it out. We're at this cute restaurant. It used to be a train station, right? Very cute. Now right across the street is a ski mountain. I don't know if you can see it, but the little carts are going up with people. Very cool. Okay, well I heard you guys like road trip snacks, so this is what we chose. These are, I wouldn't call them road trip snacks, but we're on a road trip. And these are our hotel snacks for later when we want sweet things. We're probably definitely going to eat something in the hotel room while we watch hockey after the ice castle, because of course the NHL is coming back tonight and we'll be watching. Well, our team comes back tonight. Let's go Blackhawks. So yeah, some Gushers, some, a double-decker football, a peanut butter bar, yummy. Quaint little hotel room so we can stay somewhere after the ice caverns, since it is a long drive home. Look at that, the sun is starting to set. How pretty. There seems to be like a frozen lake back here. Can you see that? Let's see. And definitely some animal tracks. If anybody knows what kind of tracks those are, let me know. How cool. The sunset, how pretty. these icicles. They're so cool. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, I saw. I looked right up. That is so cool. My butt is supposed to go in that hole, huh?
It's in our hole.
Look at that ice bench. That is very cool. Quite a few of them have been. Oh, look at Rainbow Tunnel. Little Technicolor tunnel. I gotta show how big the other one was too. Check it out. That was cool. Alright guys, CJ's coming down the hill now. Woo! Wow!
you. How many days does it take to go across America in wagons?